never wished Chrome could do exactly what you need it to. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Chrome extension development. First, create a new folder for your extension and inside, create a file named Manifest. In this file is the blueprint of your extension. It tells Chrome everything it needs to know. In this file, we define basic metadata like the name, description, version, and importantly, permissions that your extension will need to fulfill its purpose. Next, let's add the core functionality. Create a JavaScript file. For example, with scripts, this is where the magic happens. You can write JavaScript code to modify the DOM of web pages, send requests to APIs, or interact with browser features. Be sure to link to the JavaScript file through Manifest.json. To install your extension, open Chrome's extensions page by typing Chrome extensions into the address bar. Enable developer mode in the top right corner. Then click Load Unpacked and select your extensions folder. And there you have it. Your extension is now installed. You can now click the extension icon in your toolbar to interact with it. Now that you have the basics, you can build awesome extensions to suit specific needs. So go forth and happy coding!